Photosynthesis and Cellular Respiration by Sergi Callahan, Ferguson Mins, and Rennie Dominguez. Photosynthesis is the method of converting sun energy into chemical energy, which is then used by cells. It takes place in specialized structures inside plant cells called chloroplasts. The overall reaction converts carbohydrates into glucose. Water appears on both sides because 12 H2O molecules are required and 6 new H2O molecules are created. Water is split as a source of electrons from hydrogen atoms, which releases O2 as a byproduct. Electrons increase potential energy when moved from water to sugar. Therefore, energy is required. Carbon fixation is taking carbon from an inorganic molecule in the atmosphere and making an organic molecule out of it, which is glucose. ATP and NADPH are generated in light reactions used to fuel the reactions which take CO2 and break it apart, then reassemble the carbons into glucose. The photosystem is a light capturing unit that contains chlorophyll, the light capturing pigment. The electron transport system is a sequence of electron carrier molecules that shuttle electrons and energy to make ATP. Recall ATP. Cellular energy-based molecules with 3 phosphate groups are bonded to it. When removing the 3rd phosphate group, lots of energy is moving around the cell. Cellular respiration. Cells in every type of organisms use this process to convert glucose, food and sugars, into chemical energy called ATP. It takes place in an organelle within a cell called a mitochondria. This organelle hosts the process and produces the energy needed to sustain life. And this is the process. Cellular respiration is broken down into 3 sub-processes. Glycolysis, which is a series of reactions which break the 6-carbon glucose molecule down into 2 3-carbon molecules called pyruvate. Process is an ancient one-all organism from simple bacteria to humans perform it in the same way. Krebs cycle completes the breakdown of glucose. It takes the pyruvate, 3 carbons, and breaks it down into CO2 and H2O, and the electron transport chain includes electron carriers loaded with electrons and protons from the Krebs cycle, which then move the chain like a series of steps. As electrons drop downstairs, energy released is formed into 32 ATPs. All life forms need this energy, ATP, produced by cellular respiration. All essential life processes like cell division, protein synthesis, cell growth, and many more require this energy in order to take place.